Here's a picture of Garfield at the zoo. Here's Garfield sitting next to a very rare $300 parrot. Here's a picture of me shelling out $300 for Garfield's lunch. So hey guys, who loves Garfield? Who wants more Garfield? If you want more Garfield, please be sure to subscribe, like, share this with your friends and family, add a comment or two about how cats are the greatest thing since Egyptian civilization. Then let's not forget that notification button for more of my adventures. Come on, you can do it. I believe in you.